Do you want greater control over who views or indeed edits your schedules? Well, in this very short video, we're going to show you how Microsoft Project can do this with a password feature. So setting up a password occurs when you actually go to save your project for the first time, or in this particular example, we'll actually go save as in order to set this up. So we go to File, Save As, and we'll save to this PC. And before we click Save, you'll notice here that there is a drop-down menu for Tools. Then click on Tools and then click General Options. And here, it has a couple of options here, but notice here, File, Sharing, Password Protection. So we can actually apply a password protection for those who view the schedule and also an additional password for those who we grant editing access. So we'll go and add those passwords like so. After clicking OK, we're asked to re-enter the password. So the first password is for the viewing password, and then for the write reservation or the editing. Now, if you go to close this file and then reopen it, notice what occurs. And then you'll be asked, shown in this box, to enter the password which enables you to view the schedule. So enter the password and click OK. And another box will appear for those who have the extra password to edit. Now, if you don't have the password to edit, you simply go read only. And if you were to do that, you make changes, you won't be able to save it because it is a read only file. A couple of nice tips there to add a bit more control over your schedules to enable a bit more peace of mind. We hope you found this video useful, and please subscribe. It would be very much appreciated. And please feel free to leave a comment as well.